Welcome to the new lesson. For better learning, watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video, you will be assigned a task to do. Stay connected. Let's go to the video.
The first way to upload your text file from your computer is to type this code in Colab cell and run the cell by pressing Shift plus Enter. Now the cell is running. You can see here the cell is running, so you have to wait. So the cell has run. Left click on the Choose File button. That will take you inside your computer, and go to the folder where your text file is saved. My text file is saved here in Download. Click here and open. So now you can see my text file has attached. As the text file uploaded, so you now type this code to let the Google Colab to read your text file. So the action has completed. You can see the green tick here. After the reading code, your file is ready for the analysis. But if you want to see the file, type here, print text, and play the cell. You can see the whole text here. So this command actually to check if you have uploaded the same file you wanted to upload. If you want to see the specific numbers of characters from your file, from your text file, so suppose I want to see the 500 characters from my text file, so print this code, type this code here, print text 500. So run the cell, and you can see in my suggestion to you, if your text file is very large, like if you want to build a corpus, so your text file is very large, so you don't need to print it to check, because it can slow down your system. So this is the way to upload your text file directly from your computer and read your file by Google Colab and print your whole text or some specific character from your text file. In the next video, I will tell you another way to upload your text file in Google Colab for analysis.
Before you go, here's a task for you to do.